After you download and install Bluebook, you need to sign in using your account. Once you sign in, you will have your tests in this area, active and passed. You can have test preview, or you can have full-length practice, or you can resume the practice test that you started. If you click test preview, it's a kind of exploring for the application. It's on time, so you can take your time, and assistive technology is given. For example, you select SAT suite of assessment. Next. You will have the instructions screen. You close it. This is untimed practice. You will have 8 questions in the English module and only 7 questions in the math module. You read your paragraph, you read the question, and you answer the question by selecting the answer that you think is correct. To annotate a part of the text, you select the part of the text you need to highlight, then you select annotate. As you see, it's now highlighted in orange. If you click more, you can find help, shortcuts, for example, a shortcut to zoom in, zoom out, zoom back to 100, or you click back or close. If you click more again, you will find assistive technology such as text to speech, speech to text, or screen readers. Once you answer the 8 questions of the test preview, you will have the chance to go back and review any question. And if you click next, the module is over, your work has been saved, and you will move on automatically to the math module. Here you have 7 questions. Again, you have the More tab to select shortcuts, assistive technology. You can click Calculator to use the calculator within the application. You can click Reference for a reference sheet for the math module. You click Next until you're done with the module. If you need to do a full-length practice, you select this tab. You select the pre-SAT or SAT. If you need accommodation, you activate this button. Then select your practice test. Click Next. This is a timed practice. In the English module, you will have 27 questions for 32 minutes. You can show your time or you can hide it. And then you answer all the questions till you're done. If you click Next, your work will be saved and you will move automatically to the second module. The second module is English, and the same time, 32 minutes, 27 questions. You keep answering the module till you're done. Then your work will be saved automatically again, and then you will have a break for 10 minutes, just like the exam day. Resume testing if you're done. Then you will have 35 minutes in the math module and you will have 22 questions. Once you're done, you will go to the review page. If you click Next to the second module of math, 35 minutes again, 22 questions. You click Next. Then you will move on to the end screen. Now you can view your score online with explanations on collegeboard.org page. And you can see your score details. Good luck, everyone.